Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 30th March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 30th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So you can see that the first stock is already mentioned here, PPL, Pembina Pipeline. This is the first stock for the day. And as you can see on the screen, the stock closed at 36.10 yesterday. This is the daily time frame chart. The stock closed at 36.10 yesterday. And as you can see, there was a support available on the daily chart. Okay. There was support available daily chart at this level. 35.90 level, and the stock tested the level and bounced from there, which signifies that yes, buyers are present in the market who are bullish on the stock, so which is a very good sign. Okay, therefore what do we need to do? We will buy above 36.2, or we will buy above yesterday's high. Okay, yesterday it made a high of 36.1 or 36.2, so we will buy above 36.2. And as you can see, this is a hammer kind of a pattern on the daily chart, so it signifies that yes, bulls are present, and so there is a good amount of opportunity that buyers will take the price upward. Therefore, we'll be only looking for buying opportunity on PPL above 36.2 level. So the next stock, or the second stock for the day, is RY, one of the most popular stock, Royal Bank of Canada. You can see that RY closed at 117.12. Undoubtedly, the stock is an uptrend and it's a very good stock for investment. And as you can see, yesterday it has formed a green candle. Okay, and day before yesterday also it formed a green candle. So these two candles signifies that yes, bulls are still very strong on the stock, and we should look for buying opportunity. As the stock closed at 117.12, again we will be only looking for buying opportunity on the stock above the yesterday's high, that is 117.2. So if you get any opportunity above 117.2 level and you see that yes, bulls are still present in the market and they are ready to take the price upward, you can go for a buy above 117.2 level. Okay, so this is the third stock. So now let's jump to the third stock. It's ENB, Enbridge, another very popular stock. For Enbridge, you can see that yesterday the stock closed at 46.84 level, and you can see that the stock has tested this level. Okay, there is a resistance on the daily chart at 46.84 level only. Okay. And stock tested the level and tried to cross the level. It made a high of 46.9. Yeah, it made a high of 46.9, but the stock failed to sustain above the daily resistance. And on the daily chart, you can see that the stock has also witnessed some price rejection from below. Overall, if we look at the candlestick pattern, it's a hammer pattern with price rejection from below. Yes, there is a resistance above. So what should be a strategy? Our strategy is we will be looking for buying opportunity above this level, 47 level. Okay, in case there is a gap up opening, in case there is a gap up open, then wait for 15 to 30 minutes and just observe the stock. Just try to see how the price is doing. If you see that after gap up opening the stock is coming down, then wait for the stock and just see where the stock settles. Or if you see that after 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the stock is trading comfortably above 47 level, okay, you can go for a buy. Because 46.9 is a very crucial level for the stock, because it is a resistance level on the daily chart. Okay, so let the market cross the 46.9 level, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy above 47 level. Now let's switch to the fourth stock. The fourth stock is FNV. FNV, Franco Nevada Corporation. For Franco Nevada, you can see that the stock closed at 125.57 level. The stock has closed at 125.57 level, and yesterday it has formed a bullish candle. Day before yesterday, it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, so both these candles tell us that yes, bulls are there in the market and they are ready to take the price upward. So this is a very good sign and a very positive sign for the stock. And as you can see on the screen, there is also a resistance, or there was a resistance available at 124.54 level. At this level, if you cannot see properly, let me change the color to black, and let me change the size. Okay, now you can see that yes, at this level there was a daily resistance, but the bulls were so much in charge that they crossed the level and they succeeded in giving a closure above the daily resistance, and the stock closed at 125.57 level, and the stock ultimately managed to close at a day's high. Okay, so yesterday's candle and day before yesterday's hammer pattern, uh, with price rejection from below, signifies that yes, bulls are there in the market and they are dominating as of now. Therefore, if we get any buying opportunity above 125.6 level, and okay, we will go for a buy. Okay, 125.6 is the buy level for FNB, Franco Nevada. Now let's jump to the last stop. Okay, it's AEM, Agnico Eagle Mines. For Agnico Eagle Mines, you can see that the stock was in consolidation. Okay, let me take out a pencil. The stock was in consolidation, and after that the stock fell big time. And again, we can see that the stock is not having much volatility. The volatility is missing. But okay, there is a but here. You can see the stock has closed at 74.28 level yesterday with price rejection from below. Hammer pattern. Day before yesterday also it formed a hammer pattern with price rejection from below, which signifies that yes, buyers are present in the market and they are not allowing the stock to go down. Okay. So they are trying to push the price upward, and you can see that yesterday the stock managed to close at the day's high, which is a very good sign. Therefore, we will be looking for buying opportunity on AEM, Agnico Eagles, above 74.3 or 74.35 level. If you see that the stock is doing great above 74.3 or 74.35 level, then you can go for a buy above this level. So these are the 5 stocks for 30th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood. So this is it. Thank you so much. Okay. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow. All the best. Bye bye. Take care.